Yes, welcome back to our maths class. Last class we learned about conversion of unlike fractions into like fractions and reducing fraction into smallest fraction. So today, now let's learn about the addition and subtraction of fractions. So look at the board. Addition and subtraction of fraction. In addition and subtraction of fraction, first step is to make sure that the denominators are same or not. Okay, if the denominators are same, if here denominators are same, isn't it? If the denominators are same, add the numerator and write the same denominator. Add the numerator. Numerator is 2 and here 3. 2 plus 3. Add the numerators and write the same denominator. Add it 5 by 7. If you want to simplify this number, you can simplify. Now, here it is no simplification. It is proper fraction. So, write this thing. And it is lowest term. Then next question. Look at here. Here it is. Denominators are same. So, what will you do? Write the same denominator. And here it is subtraction. Here addition we added the numerators and write the same denominator. Now here it is subtraction. So check whether the denominators are same or not. Denominators are same. You can write the same denominator here and subtract the numerator. What will you get? 19 minus 8, 18 by 4. Here it is. Both numbers are even numbers. And we can reduce these terms. Okay. We can reduce this term by dividing this number by 2. Isn't it? How you reduce the fraction? By finding the HCF, and we can divide each numerator and denominator by HCF to reduce the into lowest term. That we learned in the last class, isn't it? So, find the HCF 18 and 14, 4, 2, 9 and 2, isn't it? So HCF is 2. So let's divide this term, both denominator and numerator by 2. What did we get? Numerator is 9 and denominator is 2. Now look at here. It is improper fraction. So convert it into proper fraction. Mixed fraction. How will you convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? Yes, we can divide 9 by 2. It is 4 times 8 and remainder 1. So, 4 quotient is 4. Remainder 1 and 2 is divisor. Okay, 4 and half. Okay. So, the next question. 5 by 17 plus 7 by 17. Which function or which operation want to do this? Which operation want to do here? Yes, it is addition. And check whether the denominator are same or not. Yes, it is same. So write the same denominator here and add the numerator. 5 plus 7, that is equal to 12 by 17. Okay. Here it is prime number. We can't reduce this term into lowest term. It's already lowest term. So stop there. 12 by 17 is the answer. Next question. 19 by 4 plus 1 by 4. How will you do? 19 plus 4 plus 1 by 4. How will you do this question? Yes, it is addition and already denominators are same. So what did you do? If the denominators are same, write the same denominator and add the numerator. Numerator, it is 20 and it is 4. 20 by 4, what will you get? 20 by 4, it is 5. We get a whole number 5 answer. Next question. 22 by 9 plus dash is equal to 23 by 9. Okay. 22 by 9 plus a dash equal to 23 by 9. And what will be the number here? Missing number. Which is the missing number here? How will you find? We know that these denominators are same. So what do you do? Here denominator, same denominator we can write. And 22 plus which number will get 23? Yes, we know that 1. So 1 by 9. The next 90 by 13 plus dash, minus dash is equal to 3 by 13. So 13 is the denominator. And 19 minus which number will get 3? We know that 19 minus 87 will get 3 answers. So 87. 19 minus 87 will get 3. So 87 by 13 is the answer. Okay. Now we can learn about if the denominators are different, what will you do here? The denominators are different. What will you do? Here, mixed fraction. First, we can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How will you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Yes, we can multiply these quotient and divisor together. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. It is the improper fraction of this mixed fraction. Minus, this one by 2 we can write. Now, the denominators are different. Then, the first step is to find the LCM of denominator and make them to change them, these unlike fractions into like fractions. We last class, we taught about this conversion of unlike fractions into like fraction. How will you convert the unlike fraction into like fraction? Yes, by finding the LCM. Now we can find the LCM of 3 and 2. 3 one time into, it is not go. So write the same number. Again we can divide it by 2. You get 3 2s are 6. It is the LCM. LCM is equal to 6. Okay. Now the next step is to change the denominators into LCM. That is, first 4 by 3. 3 into which number will get 6? 3 2s are 6. So multiply the numerator also by 2. Okay. Then next subtraction. Next fraction 1 by 2. 2 into which number will get 6? 2 3s are 6. So multiply the numerator also by 3. Then 4 2s are 8 by 6 minus 3 by 6. Now the denominators are same, like fraction. Okay, now 6 write the at denominator side, and here it is subtraction. Subtract the numerator. What did we get? 8 minus 3, it is 5 by 6. It is simple. Next question. 3 and 1 by 2 plus 7 by 9. Mixed fraction. So change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 plus 7 by 9. Denominators are different. Find the LCM. Here it is 3 times 2. Again we can divide this term into 3. 1 time and 2. Divide this 2. Okay, we get 1. So the LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. That is equal to 18. LCM is 18. Now let's change this denominators to convert this in denominators into this LCM to get like fractions. So first term into 2 into which number will get 18? 2 into 9. So multiply the numerator also with 9. Here it is addition. 7 by 9. 9 into which number will get 18? Into 2. So multiply the numerator also with 2. 7 9s are 63 by 18 plus 7 2s are 14 by 18. Now the denominators are same. Then add the numerator 63 plus 14 by 18. 63 plus 14. What did you get? 77 by 18. It is improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. How will you convert? Yes, divide 77 by 18. What did you get? How many times it will go? So answer is 4. Remainder right the top, divisor same. Okay. Now next question. 7 by 8 plus 3 by 5. 7 by 8 plus 3 by 5. How will you calculate this? It is, yes, it is unlike fraction. So convert it into like fraction. Find the LCM. 4 times. Here it will not go. Write the same number. 2 times 5. Gain 2 1 time 5. 5 it is 1 time. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. That is equal to 14. 14. Now change these fractions into like fractions by changing LCM. So changing the denominator into LCM. 8 into which number will get 40? 8 into 5. So multiply the numerator also with 5. Then plus 3 by 5. 5 into which number will get 40? 5 8s are 40. Multiply the numerator also with 8. 7 5s are 35 by 14 plus 24 by 14. This 59 by 14. That's equal to how many times? In 59 40 1 time. Remainder is 19. 40 divisor. Okay. 19 by 14. Next question. 4 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So find the LCM. LCM is equal to 5 3 LCM. 5 1 time. In 3 it will not go. Try the same. Now divided by 3. Then get 1. LCM is equal to 5 into 3. It is 50. So convert these fractions into like fractions. 5 into which number will get 15? Into 3. Multiply the numerator also with 3. Next fraction. 3 into which number will get 15? 3 into 5. Multiply the numerator also with 5. Then 4 3s are 12 by 15 minus 5 by 15. Now the denominators are same. Then we can write the same denominator. Then subtract the numerator. 12 minus 5 it is equal to 7 by 15. Okay. 7 by 15. Next question. 4 by 7 minus 3 by 9. LCM, find the LCM, 7 and 9. 7 is prime number, divided by 7. 9 will not go, write the same. 3 times, again divide 3, 1 time. Now the LCM. What will you get the LCM? 7 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 7s are 63. Now 4 by 7 into, which number will get 63? Yes, 7 into 9 will get 63. 7 9s are 63. So multiply the numerator also with 9. Then minus 3 by 9. 9 into which number will get 63? 9 7s are 63. So multiply the numerator also with 7. 9 4s are 36. Here 63 minus 7 3s are 21 by 63. Now the denominators are same. Write the same denominator. 36 minus 21. What will you get? 36 minus 21. Yes. 15 by 63. Okay. Divisible by which number? 3. Okay. These numbers are divisible by 3. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 3. Divided by 3. What will you get? 15 by 3 you get 5. 63 by 3, 21. So 5 by 21, it is the answer. Next question. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 3 and 1 by 8. First step, convert this into improper fraction. 1 2s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Plus 3 4s are 20. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25 by 8. Now find the LCM. LCM 2 and 8. 2 how many times? 2 into how many times? It is 1 time. It is 4 times. Now let's divide this by 2. 2 times. Again 2. 1 time. Okay. Now what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. What will you get? Yes, 8. 8 is the LCM. Now the first term 3 by 2. Convert it into convert the denominator into LCM. 2 into which number will get LCM? 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So multiply the numerator also with 4. Addition 25 by 8. Here it is 8. Already 8. No need to multiply with any other number. Okay. Now the first fraction. 3 4s are 12 by 8 plus 25 by 8. Then what did you get? Now the denominators are same. Write the same denominator. Add the numerator. 12 plus 25. What will you get? 37 by 8. And 37 by 8 is a improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. Then convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Then how will you convert? Divide 37 by 8. Which number will get as quotient? When you divide 37 by 8, which number will you get as quotient? Yes. How many times 8 is? In 37, 4 times. Yes. 4 8s are 32. Remaining 5 is here. Remainder will be at top. And the 8 at the write it as the denominator. So 5 by 8 is the answer. There are 3 fractions are there. How will you do? How will you add if there are 3 fractions? Let's look at that problem. So look at the first question. 1 by 10 plus 6 by 7 plus 8 by 9. Here it is, we have unlike fractions. So, first step is to find the like fractions of each fraction. Okay, convert them into like fraction. So, before we want to find out LCM of these denominators. Find the LCM. Which number will go? Yes, 2, 5 times 7 and 9. Then 5, how many times? 1 time. 7 and 9, write the same. Next is 7, 1 and 9, write the same. Here 3 times 1, 1, 1. Okay. So, we get LCM. Then, sorry, here it is 3. Now, LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 7 into 3 into 3. Get LCM. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63, 5 2s are 10, 10 into 63, 630. So you get LCM 630. Now converted these fractions into like fractions. How to convert? 1 by 10 into which number you will get 63? 10 into which number you will get 63? Yes, 63. Not 63. 10 into 63 you get 630. Okay, so multiply the numerator by 63. Then 6 by 7. 7 into which number you will get 630? Yes, 7 into 90 will get 630. Okay, now you can multiply this number also with 90. Then plus 8 by 9. 9 into which number will get 630? 9 into 70. So, multiply the numerator also with 70. Now, what did you get? 63 by 630. 6 9s are 54 and 540. 7 into 90, 630. Plus 8 7s are 56, 0 and 630. Now the denominators are same. So it is like fraction. Now we can add the numerator and write the denominator same. So add the numerator 63 plus 540 plus 560. What did you get? What did you get? 560, 540 and 63. 3, 16, 11. Uh, 1163. So, by denominator same. Here it is improper fraction. So, what will you get? Divide this improper fraction and then change this improper fraction into mixed fraction. And look at here. In 1163, how many times is 630 will go? Yes, one time. Only one time will go. And then you get remainder. How many remainder will get? 3. 3. Here. You will get remainder. And then 630 as divisor. So you get the answer 533 divided by 630. The second question. 2 and 3 by 4, 1 and 7 by 8, 1 and 3 by 10. I want to find the sum. So here it is in mixed fraction. So let's change this mixed fraction into improper fraction first. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 plus 1 into 8, 8 plus 7, 15 by 8 plus 1 into 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 10. So you get the improper fraction as 11 by 4, 15 by 8 and 13 by 10. Now find the LCM. Here it is. Here we get the unlike fraction. So we want to change this fraction into like fraction. So find the LCM. Divided by 2. 4 by 2, 2. Here you get 4 and 5. Now again you can divide with 2. 2 by 2, 1. 4 by 2 is 2. And here it will not go, so write the same number. Now we can divide this by 2. 1 and 5, write the same. Divide it again with 5. 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now LCM. Find the LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. What did you get? 40. Okay. Get 40 as LCM. Now change this number into this fraction into like fraction. How will you change? 11 into 4 into which number will get 40? 4 into 10. So 11 into 10. 15 by 8. 8 into which number? 5. So the numerator multiply with 5. And 30 by 10. Which number? Into 4 you get 40. So multiply the numerator by 4. So multiply 1, 1, 10 by 40 plus 15 into 5. What will you get? 75. Okay. By 14. 30 into 4. 50. 2 by 40. What will you get? When you add, what will you get? 110 plus 75 plus 52. What will you get? 237 by 40. Now when you divide this 237, here it is in proper fraction. So we want to change this fraction into mixed fraction. So when you divide 237 by 40, what will you get? 40 in 200 5 times. Remaining 37 is here. And write the denominator same. So mixed fraction as 5 and 37 divided by 40. Okay. Now the next question you can do it as homework.
I hope you understood the class. If you have no doubt, you can call me. Thank you.
This one you can do it as homework.